y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We're going to make a quick, simple, cheap dinner, y'all. We already have these angel hair pasta with herbs in the pantry. Got a few boxes on sale. We use a little heavy cream and water. I've got 2 chunks of chicken breast pounded, frozen, no prep. We're gonna put them in this hot skillet with some water and cover it up. We are going to season this with a little bit of Lowry's and some lemon pepper. I think that might go well, and the family has enjoyed it pretty good before. So good. I love this stuff. And we'll probably do some salt and pepper, and we'll see how it goes towards the end. Might cook up some green beans or broccoli or corn, just because that's what we have. All right, y'all, I've got about 2 1/3 cup of water in there. I got about a tablespoon of butter here chopped. We're just winging it, doing a little bit. We don't need 4 tablespoons of butter, do we? Maybe another tablespoon. I don't really think it's too necessary. Hopefully it still turns out good, right? And we will add the cream in a bit. Cream is obviously a lot more than milk, so I think I will work with what I've got here and just add a little more water and a little less heavy cream because it's very creamy in comparison. We're going in with about a cup of heavy cream. I need to make sure this isn't too hot. Should be good. Creamy. This is a family favorite. My husband grew up having this, which he really enjoys, and I like it too. So if we're in a pinch, money and or time, we have this around and we can make it up really quick. And it's delicious. This chicken looks and smells delicious. Give it a flip. All right, y'all, we've got a hair of a simmer on there, so we're gonna add in these 2 seasoning packets. If I need more liquid, I can add more. I like to go a little shy so it's a pasta, not a soup. Add those in, give this a little stir. Stir in menudo. We're doing a double, 2 boxes for the fam. I want to make this homemade. It's just so good. Getting the seasonings and everything right is going to be a little tricky, but I should be able to figure it out. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit, cover this, and cook this for a few minutes. It says uncovered, but we don't like to do that around here. Let's check on this chicken. It's kind of hot. Probably should get rid of this liquid and cook it good now, or I could just crank that heat. All right, cook this on up. All right, y'all, the chicken's done in the pot here. I cut the heat on everything. Just gonna add 2 splashes of water here. It's super uber creamy and delicious. This stuff is so good. It'll thicken up and dry up a little bit as it solidifies and cools. It's already soaked up nice. Beautiful. Should be pretty good. We're gonna slice it up. Hopefully it's not too dry. This side's got a little color. That thicken right up. We're gonna serve this up. I think we're gonna need to use the fork. Big old bowl of this with chickens on top. I sliced up the breast. Hopefully it's good with these noodles. Like everybody says, those breasts like to dry out. We've got some thighs in there. They're bone in, skin on, which is great, but not for the application we wanted, which we will use it. No big deal. I wouldn't want to just use a bone and skin on for this quickie. Big old helping of noodles. And I've just sliced the chicken breast in half, and we're going to put it on top. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper right on top. There you have it, y'all. Simple, delicious, quick, and easy. Budget-friendly meal right here at home. Quicker than I could have gone out and picked up Taco Bell. I made us a quick and easy, simple chicken dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey y'all, I've got 2 boxes of the 3.4 ounce vanilla pudding mix. We're putting them in this bowl. Vanilla is the only flavor I have at the moment besides banana. I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder, dark cocoa, dark chocolate. I don't know, maybe a teaspoon or tablespoon. We'll check it out as we go. I'm gonna add some heavy cream. That is all we have at the moment, so that is what we were going with. I don't have much left, so hopefully this goes well. Might have to thin it out with a little bit of water. We're going to whisk this in. I'm going to whisk these together first. It's not very dark. Wow, that was quite a bit. We're going to keep going. Just going to add a touch of water in here and get that out. We are working with what we've got and using up what we have, not wasting. This might not be great, but I'm gonna add a little more chocolate powder, but pretty good. It's very vanilla-y still. Going with the whisk. Now I want it to be super thick. Might even need a little more. It's not very dark. It's already getting super thick. Definitely getting the chocolate more now. It's just kind of grainy. We're supposed to refrigerate this for a few minutes till it thickens up real thick, and then we'll mix it again. All right, y'all, it's been in the fridge for just a few minutes. It's very grainy, like tapioca. All right, y'all, we think it tastes really delicious. We're going to put a little bit in this bowl. We're just gonna serve it up. If I want to whisk it up more tomorrow or later, I will, but we're going to eat up a chocolate delicious dessert right now and wrap it up for the night. This is decadent, delicious, super simple, easy. If you got this at a restaurant, I'm sure this would be super expensive. It's heavy cream, y'all. 2 packets of Jello pudding, some cocoa powder, heavy cream or milk. I've got a bunch of Oreos. We purchased these from Costco a while ago. My husband doesn't want them in it or layered, so we're just gonna give him some on top. That's 2 cookies. We're gonna go in with the third. If he doesn't want all that, he done got to. Bon appetit, y'all. Bon appetit. It's like a mud cup. So good. There you have it, y'all. Quick, simple, easy dessert. So good. Decadent, delicious. Suit your craving. 5 to 10 minutes. Done. Appreciate y'all. Peace out. If you enjoyed, consider giving this a like, comment, subscribe down below. Let us know what you think. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.